You've felt it after every meal, that uncomfortable tightness, your stomach expanding like a balloon even though you barely ate anything. But here's what's actually happening inside your gut right now that nobody's telling you about. Your intestines house trillions of bacteria, and some of them are producing gas as their waste product. When you eat certain foods, these bacteria go into overdrive. They ferment undigested carbohydrates, releasing hydrogen and methane gas that gets trapped in your intestinal walls. This isn't just about eating too much, it's about what's happening at a microscopic level. The real problem starts with something called small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. Bacteria that should stay in your colon migrate upward into your small intestine where they don't belong. Every time you eat, these misplaced bacteria feast on your food before you can digest it, creating massive amounts of gas in the wrong place. Your small intestine isn't designed to handle this gas production, so it stretches and distends. But there's another layer most people miss. Your gut lining can become permeable when constantly inflamed. This triggers your immune system, causing even more swelling and fluid retention. You're not just bloated from gas, you're bloated from inflammation. The foods that feed these problematic bacteria are everywhere. High FODMAP, carbohydrates, artificial sweeteners, and processed fibers all fuel bacterial fermentation. Even healthy foods like beans, cruciferous vegetables, and wheat contain compounds that certain bacteria love to break down into gas. Here's the part that changes everything. Your stomach acid and digestive enzymes are your first line of defense. When they're weak, undigested food travels further down your digestive tract, giving bacteria more fuel. Low stomach acid means more fermentation, which means more bloating. The solution isn't just about avoiding trigger foods, it's about restoring bacterial balance, strengthening your gut lining, and improving your digestive enzyme production. When your gut microbiome is diverse and balanced, bloating naturally decreases because the right bacteria are doing the right jobs in the right places.